Okay, I've got the airbox out. It's sitting over there. It looks fine. Got the two size 10s out on the starter. Let's put this on the bench and hopefully it doesn't work. Let's go get a battery and try this. I have this battery here. This is out of the Audi. It's still good for stuff around the shop, but you know what? Let's go and get in the back of this old girl. Oh, there it is. What's this? I used this winch yesterday to pull that ATV up on this trailer. I found the winch. I actually had it on my list one day last week, and I'm going to get a winch at Princess Auto just for this. I stopped at the flea market on Carp Road, and it was brand new in a box. I go, how much? He goes, 35 bucks. I went to Princess Auto and bought this, and it just slides in here, and it's got a 40-foot cable, and it just pulled that bike up there. Anyway, let's take this and go and test the starter. I'm going to put you right here for a second on this tripod. Let's put the ground here, and I really hope this doesn't work. Because if it does work, it means the engine's seized. Here we go. Let's turn this on. Ready? Yeah, it doesn't work. Let's check the ground to make sure. Nothing there. Let's go get a multimeter. Just to be sure, let's be sure that there is power coming out of this booster pack, which I know there is, but yeah, so we got 13 volts there. So it looks like the starter's done. I wonder if we can get it to work if we bang it. Let's hook this up here. Ready? Let's give it some bangs. Just went and got some pliers. I thought, oh, if I turn the starter a little bit, it might move the brushes. But look at this. Listen to it. It only turns like, honestly, it turns like a quarter turn and then it's stuck. Wow. Oh, there we go. No, it's fucked. It's fucked. Gloves off. Okay, well, that's actually really good news. The starter's fucked. Let's take the carb off. So now here we'll take the carb off, we'll clean it. He said it was backfiring. Sometimes it could just be running lean from a dirty carb. I noticed the back brakes aren't working. And there's no fluid in the master. This looks like an overflow for the coolant. And that's empty. Let's give it a good one over. And then I'll check the track. Let's have a look with me. Let's see when the starter's supposed to arrive. Let's see. Track package. Come on, there's no internet out here in the shop. Oh, it says shipped. Not out for delivery, so there's no time. You can see there it comes with a bunch of stuff. Anyway, hopefully it's here like early today sometime. I didn't get this thing going for him.
complete.